Brockton Point Lighthouse in Vancouver, BC, Canada, against the backdrop of West Vancouver, Lions Gate Bridge, Grouse Mountain, Capilano Watershed, North Vancouver, and Mount Seymour.
Hindi
Sulfur.
kasi maganda masyado.
Sulfur daw yan. Ito, the bridge was financed by the Guinness family, Carl.
Along with Berna Bay
Carl.
in the other side.
Carl, Lionsgate Bridge was financed by the Guinness family. Brewery origins by the Guinness family. 5.9 million siya ginawa for cost. Canadian. It's named after the twin peaks of the lions on the north shore. Royal stamp. King George VI and Queen Elizabeth christened the bridge in 1939.
And then the Royal Iron Workers Memorial Bridge.
Right?
Gusto niya ng ano? Timbits?
Imbit.
Ayoko sugar yan eh. Wow, shit. Ano nito?
Nalakad mo naman.
Ayoko ngayon. Mamaya, pag uwi na yun sa bahay mamaya, kakain ng sisig. Bibili ako doon sa ano. Anong pangalan ng restaurant ka, Carl? Yung sa'yo, mahal? Sa 108, Carl?
Yung ano yun?
May restaurant sa 108 na Filipino, dating kambingan.
Hindi ko alam.
Basta yun yun.
Paano nangyari yan? Tagal nila. Tagal na.
Ayun, tagal.
Continue for
Sa Daya.
Where to next?
Yung lang yun, ang prospect point ni Carling.
Saan?
Prospect Point. Where is that?
Dito rin, sa Stanley Park.
Ah, okay. Prospect Point.
Sa babanda yun.
May parking pala, lalakarin yung packet ha. Let's go.